Hello there. I am sitting at the end of Big Elk Road at Dead Indian Memorial Highway. No, I'm not kidding. That's actually its name. And today we're going to take Dead Indian all the way down into Ashland. This road is a phenomenal, twisty, sweeper, open area road that leads into one of the most amazing mountain roads I've ever done. So, anyway, are you ready? Let's go check it out. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. So the first part of this road is pretty much just like this. Great views, fields, sky everywhere, trees in the distance. It's very relaxing and very nice. And, you know, the occasional cow. Sure beats the heck out of driving through traffic. I didn't film it, but right behind me is a turnoff for Hyatt Road, which is another really good road, and I will be doing a review of that. To get that notification, don't forget to hit subscribe or hit the bell icon. Just up the road here, it starts to get twisty. I don't know about you, but I love views like this. Getting away from the city and all the cars, absolutely worth it. Damn it! I was making a point! No problem. I'll just edit that out. Oh, that's a pretty nice view. The Upper Plateau Ranch farmland in our rear view mirrors, we now enter the beginnings of the twisty section. This isn't the hardcore twisty section, this is just the beginning. As you look on the map, you'll see it's sort of this beginning area that leads to the really good section. And as you can see, it's very easy to get blocked by four-wheel Joy Destroyer. Car issue resolved. Now we begin the beginnings, the really good part. Begin the beginnings. Oh, look at that. Look at that view. Oh, going too long though. Keep your eyes on the road. I don't think it's going to show up in the camera, but from here on in, it is all downhill. And I don't mean that in a negative way. Just up at the end of this road, the real curvy stuff begins. We're heading down through the middle over there into some stunningly good roadway. Amazingly good stuff. Fantastic. No, not getting stuck behind a vehicle to ruin this whole section of road. Although this guy is moving pretty good for a little pickup truck. Alright, right on. Love that common courtesy. Thank you. Legend. This road, so good. Love it. Oh my goodness, look at this road. Just look at it. Woo! As you can see all around the hills here, it's a fairly active area, meaning there's orchards and the different things that are going on. So from a population viewpoint, Dead Indian definitely seems to be a little bit more populated. The Green Springs, which is another review I'm doing, so make sure you subscribe. You can check out that review too. Is a little bit more remote feeling. I mean, I wouldn't call this road busy, but it's clear that there's a lot more activity going on this road than there was on the other road. And as I always say, so either pull back and let the cars go and give yourself a gap, or if you're lucky and you find someone courteous who gives you a little bit of room, you can zip around them when the opportunity arises. But don't sit behind people too long. You don't want to waste a road like this just driving at car speeds. I don't really know what to say anymore. Wowzers. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. It might seem like we're done, but we're not. There's a lot more to come. Well, there's more to come. Man, this corner just keeps going on and on. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we're getting there. We're almost there. Just a little more to go. This lower section is fast and flowing. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. So, what do I think? Well, if you can't tell by now, you're not paying attention. Dead Indian is an amazing road. Maybe not the most amazing road you've ever done, but it is right up there on any top 10 list that I have. The scenery is phenomenal. The road surface is pretty good, a little lumpy in spots, not too bad. The curves in places are just a dream, and in other places it's a challenge. I absolutely am coming back to do this road again. I think I'll spend a couple days in Ashland next time and just ride around these hills and make sure I take it all in. So what do you think of Dead Indian? Leave me a comment in the comments below. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.